All right, this is Lego Snow Edition. It is Thursday over here. We have another snowstorm, so Daddy's home. Yeah. So the girls and Braden's gonna go between both teams. Are gonna be building the Lego superhero Royal Talon Fighter Attack. Let's see, it has all the pieces. And the girls are building that, and the boys are building the superhero. What is it? Guardians of the Galaxy? Gardens of the Galaxy.
Aisha's Revenge.
Aisha's Revenge. All right, stay tuned. Shuri is from the Infinity Pack that we built. We built earlier in the week. We're watching Moana, as you can see.
Hiya.
The boys look like they're coming along. They're building the ship. Where's your other ship at, guys? Your little ship. And what people did you guys build?
Aisha.
That's Aisha?
Yes.
Star-Lord.
And
I think Braden he's got Groot and Yondu.
Braden, you gonna bring us Groot?
And Yondu.
And what is it?
And Yondu.
Yondu. And what are they from?
Guardians of the Galaxy.
Okay.
Got some pieces for the paper.
And what other people did you build? You built Killmonger. We built Claw, Nakia, and another Black Panther.
Yes.
All right, and this is our ship. It's starting to look like something. All right, we will tune in when we're finished. I think they're looking for Groot, and because Braden tends to steal the people as we're building.
Right here.
Oh, who's that?
It's Groot and Yondu.
Yondu. Let me get a little close up. Turn them a little bit. Turn them towards me. Turn them towards me. There we go.
Hello.
All right. Stay tuned. Hey, guys. We're tuning in. All right. This is the Black Panther ship. It's definitely vicious. Who's this, Bray? Right here.
Tomato.
And who's this? Nakia.
Tia.
And Black Panther's on the inside. And looks like the claws in there. It's like a little jail. I'll give you a spin of the ship. Just give you a quick spin. We lost to the boys by a few minutes, but the girls team definitely struggled. It was definitely not as easy as I expected. There were a lot of little parts,
but it was worth it.
The boys team, go ahead, Brooklyn.
So the boys team made Guardians of the Galaxy.
Aisha's Revenge. Who's Aisha? Can you show me her?
This one. Oh.
Is she from Guardians of the Galaxy too, or is she going to be Infinity War?
She's in Guardians of the Galaxy.
Okay, so she's the villain. Yes. And then who's in the ship?
That is Yondu.
And who's up there?
That is Star-Lord.
All right, and what's the little ship?
The little ship? This is the hologram ship that she was in from the movie.
Oh, okay, it was a hologram ship?
Yes.
What the ship does.
Let me see.
Ship opens up on the sides.
Whoa.
And it opens up at the top, so you can put people in and out. And then it has a shooter at the bottom. And little jets on the bottom.
That's
and
neat.
This goes like this. Bam!
In the snow. There's Bella. She's already knee deep in the snow. I think it's still kind of soft for a snowman, but you know. Say hey, guys. How is it? How's the snow? Is it soft? Is it hard?
Nice and soft.
What about you, Bray?
Soft.
Is it soft or hard?
Soft.
Soft?
But look at mine's got. Oh, mine is going to get bigger. Look how big my snowball is.
I see. Don't throw it at anyone. As you can see, it's still coming down. Just let you guys see the street. You can see. I don't know if you can see visually that it's still coming down. Like there's a person walking down. If you look at the ground, you can tell it's packed in. Still coming down. It's freezing. Well, stay tuned. It's cold. We won't be out long. in with this electric shovel. Loud. It's cold. We've been out for probably about 20 minutes. We've been out for about 20 minutes. I think I said that already, but it's cold. This little, what's it called? Greenworks electric snow shovel. Thanks for watching. Make sure you like, subscribe, and share Three Little Bees TV.